Greetings, fellow Ambazonians. Now, our Deputy Defense Chief for the Ambazonia Defense Force, I want to brief una about the bike man with Kili for Ntanturu around Azam Hotel for towards Bali Park for Pamenda. Them Bonnie bike also. I want to bring una update about that particular incident. Now, an area will be directly under the control of a lab camp. So, na ADF controlled area. But you know, say for that particular area, that particular person Ntanturu, you also get boy then where they come up for my 90 for senior man. He come to for that particular area. We don't talk for the soldier there for my 90. None of them no be involved. Our soldier then for Alabu come. None of them no be involved for the killing of this man. Yes, ADF done declare a lockdown, 3-day lockdown, but we need to use the method of killing our own civilians to enforce a lockdown. Our lockdown would call and make people them observe them out of their way. We believe in convincing our people them for the need for observe these lockdowns so that it will protect the integrity for our struggle. It not be acceptable to make any civilian die simply because it disobeyed lockdown order. It be against our code of conduct. That particular death it not be attributed to our soldiers. We know say na Cameroon military it carry them out, but I want to reassure Ambazonian people them so we investigate and we will get to the bottom of that particular death. Right now, we do work for the assumption saying that the Cameroon military, it don't kill them. Cameroon military, they be spotted not far from that area. It don't be reported for Equinox Pigeon News. Saying that Cameroon military, we believe saying that Cameroon military. Nevertheless, I want to reassure our people that say, we do everything for make sure say make no man no kill innocent civilian. Na balok na a curse for kill an innocent civilian. We don't condemn the killing for General Lucifer, where it they under Sako, where they carry people them for Boya Road, shoot their food with gun. We don't condemn that way Eric Tato, if he talks to me, then cockot people their hand. No be Ambazonian culture. We are liberators. We cannot kill our own innocent civilians or kidnap them for ransom with no just cause. The governing council will never allow that to happen. Not in our name as a people. So make our people then be rest assured. Say that action does not reflect the conduct of our forces so far. We have seen Atanganji Paul use boys to do actions like this in Bamenda. We have seen Cameroon military killing a pastor in Maotu for simply hoisting Ambazonian flag. This represents Cameroon activities in our territory. It is not acceptable, and our people have to know that it does not define the conduct of this liberation movement. We are a grassroots movement that represents the interests of our people and must act in accordance with the culture of our people. So, as much as we get information for this particular incident, we go to inform una. I want to just inform our people that them be rest assured. Say that person where they be killing Bonnie bike, it wasn't done by any Ambazonian forces, not the ADF, not the forces in my 90. God bless you.